I couldn't resist. Welcome back to Vlogmas Day 13. It's going to be quick, but it continues. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I know I said I wasn't going to come back, but I just couldn't leave you guys hanging, and I figured there was a way to still do it. I'm going to make this really quick. This video is going to be 10 minutes and under. I wanted to go ahead and show you one of the products that did come in that I had been waiting on, and that is the coin case. That is the fur. And I'm trying to see if you guys can see really well there. Okay, and I'm going to first time I probably unbox something, right? I don't really unbox. But I'm so super excited about this. It's so super cute. Look at her. Oh my God. She is gorgeous in person, guys. She is gorgeous in person. Let me get her up close. Nice size. Let me place her in my hand so you guys can get an idea. You could tell I'm not supposed to be filming. I have on no jewelry, I got on night clothes, all that. And I'm trying to get this up before midnight so that I can still continue to go on. So I'm gonna go ahead and pull this off, because I wanna go ahead and use my items that are primarily for winter. I wanna go ahead and use them. So I said, girl, you can't keep housing these things. So anyway, it came in about 4 days ago, I want to say. I love that it has the connect here, so you can put it onto, you know, the straps that allow you to connect, and you can use it as a back charm. This is the back. This is the tab. It is a leather tag, and let's see, no Coach written on there, but it is here. Oh, I broke my nail, y'all, too, so y'all don't mind that. I should have fixed it, but I don't have time because I'm trying to get this out. So, okay, let me go ahead and get this out for you guys. Okay, so here is the little, you know, care stuff. It was nicely packed. And then there is the tag inside. They have one of those little security things. Make sure you take these out. You will go through the stores or try to come out and they think it's their product and it's a product that you're carrying from Coach. So make sure you look around in your products. And this was $150 retail, and it is called the round coin case. That's just what it's called, and it's the QB light camel. So I don't know, but this is what the inside looks like. And let's see if we could get in there close for you guys, and I'll hold it. Okay. Really nice and soft. This does say Coach. I'll get up close for that. Okay. The zipper, instead of being, it's black, and it's not one of the metals. It's probably just a durable plastic, but as you can see, it opens and closes very easily. I love it. And let's see, what would you put in here? If you wanted to dress it up a tad bit, I did have some chains to come in. Let me see where one of those chains. There's one here. Let's see if we can utilize one of these. Hope you guys are doing well. I was enjoying my time off and not worrying about filming, and then my brain started messing with me. So here you go. Here's a chain that you can use, like a wristlet chain. Flyboo 86 uses this chain on her wristlets, and I never really add much to my wristlets as far as a chain like this, other than like a pom-pom or something. So I did go ahead and grab this. I do like how she was adding them to chain them the wristlets, even though I would not carry a wristlet like that because I don't like stuff on my wrist, but it's still a great option because you just never know. So if you want, you can either go ahead and put that on here and then have it just as your carry for today, you know, for the day that you're out. See how I would hope that it wouldn't turn or anything like that, but it's so super cute, so super cute. So that gives it a cute little look. You can even carry it by itself. You know how people these days are carrying like really small little, you know, as their purse. They're just carrying this just like this and walking. So that's cute as well. And then if you have, hold on, I don't know if you were able to get a piece of the J.Lo collection, this would be gorge. because it's a nice contrast. This is the lighter Sherpa, and this is the, you know, of course, that's more tanner one, but you can, you know, find a way to clip it on there and use that for your AirPods or what have you, or you can use this as your wallet inside and put that in there, and look how that fits. Fits great, and you still have room all on the side, and that is a good option, so that when you pull out, you kind of look uniform. You know, when you pull your wallet out, you have something that also has, you know, like that Sherpa feel on it. So I really like that. Some of the things that could fit, I wish I had, let's see, I do have my AirPods right here. I would put like money in there, and here's my AirPods, which are on the large side. These are kind of, you know, wide because of the case, but they do fit in there, and you still have room if you want to utilize this, you know, to house this and just put some money in there as well. You do have the room to do so. So that's an option. Of course, it closes up really easy. Then you can throw your little eye drops in there. This is the miniature size. I get those from Costco by the dozen. So that's another little item that you can fit in there, and you still have room. Look at that. Still have room. And of course, you could throw you some money in there. If I had something with a couple dollars, let's see if we have a couple dollars for y'all. I don't know if it's not wrong wallet. I have too many wallets. I have got to get myself to one bag. Okay. I just grab which one is, you know, the color that I'm using for the day, and well, we don't need all that much, Kiki. We don't need that much. Let's grab $2, you know? And so just grab you some money, put in there, as well as your card. So let me make sure y'all can see, because I can't see what you guys can see because I have you guys at an angle. And then I'm going to grab a card. I'll grab my BB&T card, and we could stick that in there and see if it works. So as far as cards go, and I'm going to take this out. As far as cards go, let's see. Cards, I'm about to say maybe a no. It's almost wide enough, but not quite. Yeah, almost, but no cigar. I have it zipped as far as possible. It's too wide because of the shape. And then you cannot do it. Am I putting my information out there? Okay. And you can't do it this way either. Okay. So FYI, if you're looking to do that, that's a no. Okay. So you'll definitely have to stick to some money, you know, some dollar bills, and then you could put your little AirPods in there if you'd like to do that. And there you go. And as far as your license, that's a no, because you know that's not going to fit. It's about the size of a credit card. You can put your finger through here on this as well. I don't know exactly what you would do, but you know, we always find something. So you can do that. I like that a lot. And if you have other cute chains, you can use those as well. But I think this is so super cute. I'm so glad I scored it. Really beautiful. And I can use it with my black Nolita. I can use it because, you know, this is a 19 as well. So the Nolita, the black 19 will fit as well. I could just pair it with a lot of things, even when I'm using other black pouches, other black bags. It's just a really cute buy. I love this. I missed out on the Sagittarius coin purse like this. If you guys see it, please tag your girl or even grab it, and I'll definitely get your funds back out to you. But I really want that pouch. It comes in the Oxford blood color, and it has the Sagittarius symbol outside, and with, you know, the horse, the archery horse. And they text me, said it was there. By the time I added to cart and tried to check out, it was gone. And that has happened to me 2 years in a row. So they must make about 20 of those things. But all right, ladies, I hope you enjoyed seeing me unbox this. If you were contemplating, do you really want it? Should you get it? I say yes. I say go. Nice winter piece. And you know what I like? This is not screaming Coach. So this just looks like a very just nice piece. period, no matter who made it. So even if, let's say, Coach dies back out again, you still won't feel no kind of way utilizing this versus having the monogram all over the place. Like, you're going to see this and you're going to know this is Coach, you know. And not that you're trying not for it to show that it's Coach, but you get what I mean. You can, your plainer pieces you get to kind of, they don't date themselves, or they're not as trendy unless, and you know, Sherpa goes in and out. Thanks for hanging out with me, guys. You guys have a wonderful remainder of the evening. And yes, I will see you on Vlogmas Day number 14. It's never goodbye. See you later. Be better to yourself tomorrow than you were today. And go buy one of these. Toodles!